Hello guys, welcome back to Guitar Tips, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to download Microsoft Teams on Windows both as well as 10 as well as on the 11. So let's get started. So first thing, you just have to open your Google Chrome and you have to search for Microsoft Teams download and you have to press enter. You just have to open the first one over there at the top. You have to right click. Then what you have to do is just have to navigate to download for desktop and click over there, and from here you just have to click on download Teams. So that as you can see that it is getting downloaded over there. So once it's successfully downloaded, so you just have to open this. It is .exe, so you just have to open this. Now go for run over there. Just wait for a few seconds. So guys, now what you have to do is just have to go for the respective things, and you just have to sign in between or use any other accounts and sign in for the first time before the first time. And once it is done, what you have to do is just have to follow the next instruction. So you have to sign in with your respective email ID or something. What you have to use it up, you just have to go for it. Go for next and go for you have to give the respective password. Go for next. So guys, it is asking the respective details on the phone numbers, so you just have to give all these things. Now you will be receiving a code on the respective number. Go for next. Go for continue. So guys, as you can see that we have successfully installed the Microsoft Team on your Windows, and this is what it's all about when it comes to how to download and install on Windows 10 as well as on a Windows 11, which is the latest version which is released right now. So this is what you have to do, and I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.